everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create an AI avatar of yourself on Redmi. The first thing you do is open up your Redmi. Sorry, I don't know why I keep saying Rednote, sorry. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your Rednote app, and then you click on the profile card at the bottom, which has a me written there, and then you click on your profile picture, and then you click on create AI avatar. You can see this is the one I created before. I'll show you how I did it. So let's go back. I want to create a new one. So create a new one. So click on it. Now you have different styles. Let's say I want to use this style. Click on the style, and there's a picture I chose. Now how I got the picture is that when you click on that style to take you to your gallery, then you choose a picture you want. So this is a picture I want to use. Then you press this red one. It's for you to generate. You can see it generating the style you chose, the avatar style you chose, and that's it. Here's the picture. So you can save it by clicking on the white one over here to save it. So once you've done that, now let's go back. This is if you don't like it, you can press this for it to generate again, but I like this one. So you can only change your avatar 3 times in 7 days. So let's go back. Now if I want to use the avatar, you simply click on upload new avatar. Oh, unfortunately you can only change it 3 times. I've changed it before. So if I didn't change it before, by the time I click on upload new avatar, I will see it's taking me to my gallery where I've saved the picture, and then I'll be able to use it. So unfortunately I've changed it 3 times already. So anyway, that's it. That is how to create generate an avatar of yourself on Rednote. See you in the next video. Bye for now.